Welcome to Saphirra.com, Hot Girl's Guide. I'm going to show you how to make a waterfall braid. So waterfall braid goes down the side and you can make it all the way around like a crown, which is hard to do for yourself, and it has sections of the braid that fall through, making a waterfall effect. So the braid is done like this. I always use a little Moroccan oil, not much, but enough to make sure that the split ends don't, or the, frays and split ends don't go sticking out everywhere. My hair is blonde, so I get a little more of that than most people, I guess. Here, we're going to divide our hair up in the section where we would like our braid to fall. And then, this is the simple version, so you only need to use 2 strands of hair. So what we're going to do, split this into 2. And then, we're going to cross them, like so. Alright? Now, from the back, we're going to take a piece of hair and section it off, and we're going to drop it down in between our 2 crossed pieces, and that will be our waterfall piece. And now we're going to cross this just like so. Just cross them over each other like so, making our first piece of the waterfall. And make sure you're just smoothing it down all the time so it looks nice. Now you're going to go from the back again. You're going to get another section of hair, another piece, and you're going to make sure these are crossed over and drop it in the middle. So make sure it's in the middle there, like that, like so. So we've got our 2 strands, and cross it again, making sure we've locked them in place. Now, we're going to go from the back. We're going to get another section of hair. And same thing, drop it in the middle of your 2 main strands. Get it right in the middle there. And cross these again. And you'll see now we have 3 pieces in our waterfall braid. And just tighten it up. So there's 3 pieces in there now. And you continue to do that until you have your desired amount of hair in the waterfall. Like so. Once you have as many as you would like, you can just cross them over again and get a bobby pin. And go ahead and bobby pin them on securely. And just rearrange it. Make sure everything looks neat. And voila! You have the waterfall braid, the waterfall pieces falling down from it, and you can do it all the way around your head if you like. It is hard to do on yourself all the way around, but if you get a friend to help, you can do it no problem. Thanks for watching.